Don't make such mistakes while buying a smart TV. You may waste money and regret for it. TVs come with special terms and technical terms that can make shopping a bit complicated. In this report today, we will tell you some things that you should keep in mind while buying a TV. What to avoid when buying TV? TV size. A large display TV is a different experience, but not always. The size of the TV depends on the size of the room in which you plan to place it. So first choose whether you will place the TV in the bedroom or living room and from what distance you want to watch it. For example, if the TV viewing distance is 4 to 6 feet, choose a 32-inch TV. If you watch TV from a distance of 5 to 8 feet, it will be better for you to buy a 40 to 42-inch TV. If the TV viewing distance in your room is 10 to 12 feet, you can choose a 46 to 49-inch panel or a larger size TV. Budget. It is completely true that the more you spend, the more features you will get in the TV. Now the prices of TVs also depend on your choice of brand and features. If you have a high budget, you can buy a TV with a larger screen, size, more brightness, better spectrum, great sound, and many other great features. But in the last 2 years, TV prices in the Indian market have become close to smartphone prices. Smart or non-smart? If you are not watching OTT content on your TV right now, then it doesn't matter. But the demand of the time is OTT streaming along with satellite. OTT has greatly increased the need for smart TVs. The advantage of a smart TV is that you can cast your phone, laptop, and tablet to the TV. So in simple words, the demand of the time is for smart TVs. Screen resolution. This term is used to show the resolution of any screen. HD Ready gives you 1366 x 768 pixels. Full HD gives you 1920 x 1080 pixels. And 4K TV has a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels. Now the question is, what is the advantage of resolution? So let me tell you that the higher the resolution, the better the quality of the picture on the TV. If you have a high budget, you should only buy a 4K TV. And if you have a low budget, you can buy a full HD TV. Full HD TVs from domestic companies like Shinko and Daiwa will be available to you in budget. Network and connectivity. Multiple ports add to the TV experience. Make sure that the TV has at least 1 to 2 HDMI ports when buying a TV. HDMI ports are required in the TV for devices like soundbars and gaming boxes. Also, if you are buying an Ultra HD 4K TV, then first make sure that your TV supports HDMI 2.0 for many existing 4K devices. Also, while buying a TV, also see if it has Bluetooth inbuilt or not. The TV should support dual-band Wi-Fi.